Look here. If they send you with your Proxy account, we can call it type nonsense for this my broadcast. Now you are the fine so make I kick you out. So they kick you out, you go create another fake account. You type admin, activate sharply. You type nonsense here, I kick you out sharply. Yes, my people, I salute you now. I just finished watching Dion Osage's ranting. The rant. The law for straight 2 hours. Abatobaze. What did I do to him? Abatobaze. Our work. Abatobaze is doing our work. Our work. Abatobaze is doing our work. Straight 2 hours. Abatobaze. What is my crime? What is my sin? My own is do the right thing. You say you are a millionaire. You get plenty property, so you don't acquire. You be big boy. You want to buy house for Spain. You want to buy for Italy. You want to buy for US. You want to buy for Canada. You a big boy, I agree. You dey fresh under 1 month, you don't fresh. I agree. To fresh na achievement. I agree. So they travel up and down, they buy tickets up and down from country to country, city to city, state to state. Na achievement. I agree. But wetin me dey talk is, as far as those states is concerned, you must do the right thing. And if you get anybody where they are happy now is Winifred. Winifred is happy. Now me push on that more for America. Don't they Canada now? It's in Toronto. They arrived yesterday. Midnight. And we are in Toronto now. So the cockere you only saw. Because the outer come. The happiest woman now is Winifred. Emildo. Ah, why are you ready? Oh, we go here, man. No, you go there. Man, no, you go there. You coquera your egg. Agbere ga tie. E mata no we gele bo wo kan be Canada, who will take care? Who will take care? Who will take care? E mata about your mom boy ti well. E mata we reta ma we ni an. I wo ko we ni wa so wari ogo wa sia. Or I feel where you are back when I do I blame me I hear that for Canada say cold day where and you go now it buy ticket. If be not ready for Canada, go see wife. Please admin, I'm seeing some. You can drop. You are free to drop negative comments here, but if you insult me, my admin they will kick you out. Did I send a message to you to come watch me? Did I send a message to you to come watch me? So you drop senseless comments here, I kick you out sharply. The woman is very happy now. Whether the day say as I don't know, but I know it's in Toronto. Maybe the woman never agree make it enter house. Maybe he's somewhere now until the woman agree make it come. The woman is very, very happy, I'm sure. All those audio, I'm doing visa. If you want to go to get visa, I want to do a cab. If you come to Nigeria, you don't have cab. You rent my motor. I want to do this one. Ah, man, this guy, you're a 419. Can't do everything. You're a 419. What did they make body they pepper them now, eh? The first time when I cast on job like this was that cancer patient. I think almost 2 years now. Since that time I don't do video like this. I try to run away from all these people. Do you know how many calls I get every day? People that are sick, that want to appear on my platform. People that are struggling, that want to appear on my platform so that they can get help from our people all over the world. I try to. But this one, I know fits. I said, let me just go. Because for me, I cannot see a sick person. Either I go there, go support the person. I must dip my hand into my pocket. Still say, this one now I get, take, which I did today. So if I don't have my personal money to give, no expect me to go that kind of place. So the one I do today, he peppered them, he pepper around. And it's not, and I didn't do it to say because John, no. That woman is in pains. I have kick this one out by myself. Most of these Prozzy accounts, the menu, they'll be clicked now. They'll be clicked now. She wouldn't say Sakura holding with Osagi now. They'll be 5 and 6. That's what they'll be. They'll be 5 and 6 now. We know the game. Now many of the girls these Prozzy accounts, they call it Simudia and the rest. Now see, as I go there today, I bring my account. Me and Osagi for not get issue. For example, I say Abat is doing what Osagi is doing. I wish I just bring my account. Say this woman husband no get account. We gonna put her for my account first before the man will go open account. Many people will still put her for my account. When the lady called me, I said, "Does the man have a bank account?" He said, the man said yes. You know, many of them don't use bank. You go here, man. Now we are bus driver. You go to pay you a bank. Get wife, get 4 children. Wife nowhere. He said the man saying get account, but you know they took put money there. Say you know they get a receive a lot. The phone went to the receive a lot. The phone lost. I said before I come today, the man should go and activate his account and activate his text message alert. So like people send out money, you go feel they get alert. Which when we got there, we spent almost 1 hour waiting for the man. When the lady called the man trekked from bank. I said, I will wait. We waited. I gave him my what I have for them, which I believe the man almost kneel down. You have to say me just come record. When I give her the man almost did I get dragon. I said, my people will support you. Kind-hearted Edo people will support you. Not Iye Lekutezo, not as human traffickers. I said, kind-hearted Edos all over the world. Even the ones where they've been in here, they go throwing money for that account. So that's what I do, it make them vex. And they use them, not only John. No. John is the Mugu now that they are pushing. Now John they use now. Why they are the rest of them, they use Proxy account to follow me fight. Just like I said some days ago that John is the most successful beggar from Edo State. He's the chief beggar. He's the chief. He's the Oga Patapata of them all. He's the general overseer of all beggars in Edo State. Online beggars. Online beggars. Now he be their Oga Patapata. Is their boss. He don't do well. That one was in the past. Now food money in the chop now. All those noises making. We are building this one. We are doing this one. Many of them. We are not yesterday. I said we were convertible for America before I jump at a plane to Canada now. I force it bole ale Canada bohan olori ari you marry wa ku go kian o ma go o pe asoso gbe na o kian ama me titik o ma o pe asoso gbe one we cock na lele ya kian wa soso say your body never make an tick. Stay your back. When a co-ware Canada now, we stay home for 6 months. Respect your marriage way. Hey, patronize have here le good now. Stay for one place. Stay for one place. And there go how all live no mafo all anywhere. All these here look where they disturb you, block them. Stay one place. I don't say anywhere Winifred did now. Winifred is praying for me. And Winifred, please ask your husband this night. Say, see, come. So I wish Albert not come tell you, say me, you come see me for Canada. So you don't feel come see me. That's why they marry. Winifred, ask your husband. Say, that's why they marry. So Winifred, I just do it for you. Anytime when you want to see your husband, let me know. I know how to balance. You enter Canada, first way why you start to sort now, but no, I know why. People are no longer stupid. People don't fall cheaply for them again. It is hard. That they need to overdo now, all the money where John had go make. Now John they spend now is doing everything to revive that charity, that fraudulent organization. He they spend money now. They share money for your office now. Make sure that returns will still they come. He is seriously reinvesting now. But they get it, bah. Please share this broadcast to share this broadcast and admin activate. I'm seeing some Proxy accounts here. Why I like blocking Proxy accounts? So that when I block them, they'll go create another one. So that stress of creating a multiple accounts, I like when they go through that stress. So he go all those. He's just blabbing. He's just rolling his mouth. Real humanitarians don't lie. They don't lie. They don't blackmail people. The day when I know say Dion are 400, and the day when he talk say I want to go see my mom for UBTH, I can't see her for Yarrow. He can't dash me 10,000 naira. He was analyzing it today. He said, I think you take it. The next day, people call her, hello, you're this time, you're the make money, you're not going to settle. You're not going to settle. He can ask me, I'm going to say, may I settle? Because you know, say my man away, you need to give me 100K, you need to settle for this time. Settle for this year, I'll be Agbero. What you concern me, concern colleagues about this is settle. As if I lie that first, I don't know that lie will backfire. And that lie I bring John Saki down. I said, for this guy to just wake up, just lie, what you don't have to just talk. This guy is fake. Then that's why I call it. All the days way. Oh my God, I know many people who the gospel foundation when they call me and they say, who was there walking mao? Guy need to finish man, walking mao. So my people, if you see all these people invest for me, I don't like do it. I don't allow them to do what they for like to do. By this time now, don't be expensive by this time, and with the way that the foundation take be, we don't hold almost everybody for diaspora for work. Don't hold them for all the big boys who get money for diaspora. Them, we don't hold them for work. By this time, just for the make of 5 million daily, and if for day rule, if for spoil things. If for spoil things, for spoil the state, a guy for spoil the state, I don't agree. I don't agree. I don't agree. So now why did they invest on me? So my people, this video, I don't want to make it too long. Let us do things right. Let us do things right. Let's stop taking advantage of sick people. Let's stop making money with other people's misfortune. It is wrong. John, you are bragging, you have made money good. Go and invest. Stop publishing your account. Stop stealing from people. Stop destroying lives. Most of your boys will work with you. They call me. Most of the things that I know about you, and they tell me. Who were Luyan? You use them. They say you are so stingy. They will see they collect money for you to give them money. That problem. Now why that love doctor not even the fit buy clothes wear? Maybe now why not the fit buy toothpaste and brush that time? When we see for station, a corner wear. They said you are very stingy. So before you give person 5,000, 10,000, the person will do like this, and then they see they make money. Now all of them run them Akoda, they run leave you, they suffer. They suffer. So my people say about this jealous, about this one. Who is how can I be jealous or envious of a criminal, of a thief who takes advantage of people? Imagine that woman when I go see today now with that woman's condition. It will be devilish of anyone to come bring out in your account. And so they use that cancer woman. They use the woman collect money at the end of the day, give the woman the husband 250. The woman died away. With my platform 2 years ago, I was able to raise almost $1 million for the lady. Me always helping on the do foundation. People that sent money through John before, they called me, they were like, how about I'm disappointed that that's the amount of money John gave to that family. Please, I just sent that man money now. Because I remember why is the woman's husband's name. I try to run away from people to say, my person nowhere. More use your platform. I avoid it, but this one you don't let me do. And I'm gonna be doing it frequently going forward. And now I'm gonna be doing it every time. So if you get money, God bless you, just keep some aside. In case I show anybody where things not good for, anybody who I need to help, just they keep them out, just they put them aside. Say in this month, anytime where I show somebody who need our help, I will use this money to help the person. Just they put them aside. I'm gonna be connecting you people to the real people that need your help. No, I will not serve as a middleman. Me have a You know, but say. The small one I get, as I reach there, see, I will not show anybody on my platform without me giving the person money. As I'm telling you to support me, I will also play my own part. So anybody tell you say, I have a foundation, put money in my account, I will go down. The person is a thief. The person is lazy. Is a thief, is a criminal. Original. If you allow people that want to help, allow them to have access to the people when they want help. Somebody called me today. He don't already send the family money. The person said he was going to call his younger sister to go buy food stuff to go give them. That's the good thing about you connecting people to the real people that need their help. I will never serve as a middleman. Middleman, put for money for my account, make I go give person. That man, I believe this is the first time when the man will begin to receive a lot from people when he don't know before. If God don't want to say that woman where that man go before, see, for the rest of his life, the man will they help they go. The woman will help people they go. The last cancer patient, Dion can show old woman when Dion can show a breast. The son called me after 2 weeks. Say, bros, somebody said we could call you. That day, Dion your show my man this thing. My people, they were not happy. They were calling us. And since that time now, the guy is doing us like this. I said no. I said, please. Anybody that has gone to Dion's office, I don't want to deal with the person again. I am sorry. I told the woman saw. Now see the video now. When the woman show breast like this. Today now that woman, the husband wanted the world to see the woman's stomach. He don't swear. I said no. That woman don't even wear clothes today. She was ready to show her, but even show her breast self. I said no. Who will help you don't need to see her boobs? Who will help? Don't really need to see her belly. They don't really see the woman condition. So I told the guy, I said, no, anybody who don't show for your platform, please, I don't want to have anything to do with the person. I am sorry. I said, but if it come worse, say, I know what to do. I will connect you both to a foundation. I know the ministry that I will invite your mother to write a letter to. I believe they will help. But immediate help now from the people. Now they always try to crowd. Either they do it for channels, they do it for ITV, they do it for AIT. If AIT they do it, they put the people account details. If channels they do it, they put the people account details. You deal with them. If there are 100,000 day your mind, give them. Now from things like this, God they change people's life. So not join Osagie they cry because now they see money again. Not join now they cry. Make it cry. Not join now they cry. It is wrong for you to be taking advantage of people. You are diverting people's attention away from their family. Now you create WhatsApp group, you load all the million they could put me, they give money. They do nonsense they go. I'm going to every week. I'm going to bring people come my platform. I'm going to help. So when I like to help, I will give you people access to help people, to change people's life. To change people's life. If you have not seen that video, please go and watch that video of the lady, Mrs. Elizabeth Iyoha. She's suffering from kidney disease. Please, if you have not watched the video, and this cloth I wear, now I never change cloth. Go watch the video. Send your support to the family. The husband's 2 phone numbers is there. The husband's account number is there. Call the man, encourage the woman. If you have food stuff, send to the family, 4 children. The man go use boss, go use the own boss. When they work, go borrow money when the woman dey hospital. Now the man is paying for 24,000 naira every month as interest for 100,000 naira loan. People there will put that money for that 100,000 naira for back pocket. Send the man the money, say, Oga, I just put 100,000 for your account now. Tomorrow, make sure say you go carry that your boss. Do it. Stop giving money to criminals. Stop giving money to criminals. Go help. Nobody knows tomorrow. I mean, I want me. You know what will happen to you tomorrow? I'm gonna be doing it every week. If I see person where they suffer, where really need to help, we will set a target. I will carry them on my platform. I will link you to them. I want to see those people after some time say, this life don't change, oh. Or bros, if not be you, all the people when genocide, all the children when genocide get rake from Ring Road, use that they make money, build hotel, buy properties for everywhere. They all went back to Ring Road. Now they want Osabu, which me don't say not be Dion they take care of that boy. I know who is taking care of that boy. So please, you figure, see, when they go do their foundation for Lagos, there is money in fraudulent foundation. Serious money. People get good hearts. No, they hardly ask questions. Now why did they form Mugu for all these lazy boys? Go and do it in Igbo land. Go do one for Lagos. For Edo, please, you must be very, very transparent. You have a good heart. You want to help people. Please connect the rich with the poor. People there are probably say only one person feel wake up will say this man before this family I will feel they give them 100,000 naira monthly and they don't go shake. Allow these people access poor people. Let's connect the rich with the poor. Not be everything they wait for government for. And for Osakwonogode, you are always trying to drag Osakwonogode in. Me and Osakwonogode, we don't get issue. I registered my real estate company 4 years ago. I started this CFO, survey, building plans, building for people since when he was CDA vice chairman. So what's this? Me with another issue. He's doing well in the CFO business. We're also doing well in our own business. We don't just do CFO, we do a lot. So the space is wide for everybody to hustle. Edo is big. Only me no go fit do one. Only Osakwonogode no fit do one. We need more people. That's what I call legitimate hustle. Legitimate hustle. Hustle legitimately. If somebody like Collins wake up tomorrow and say he don't do one business when Edo people need to patronize, I will share his post. If Collins Imudia wake up tomorrow and say I will share his post. Legitimate hustle. But me, I don't go sit down. I know the way I take market. I know the way I take market Geo's administration to Edo's in diaspora before they key in. So I don't agree make anybody just sit down, take advantage of them. I would not, I prefer make una they insult me or call me names, insult me. Even would have even said assassin. Anyhow, I want to do more than do, but more than free our Edo people. May they face their family. The ones who get them SS, may they help people genuinely. Fraudulent foundation not go work again. That your blessing when you go for office, she know that you're not seeing money. Now let you the feed do one by yourself for here, you come, yeah. But blessing now not feed do one like you, because she don't get that fraudulent calling. She doesn't have that calling. So when what Ota ekole, don't plan your life for just they fly up and down. Just they fly, they tear, they run up and down. Don't plan your life. Time they go. Not plan your life. So please, my people, for those that have supported the family, I appreciate. Some they call me and say, Albert, I just sent the family something. Please don't send money to me, I beg. My account is not for the public. Send it to the man, call the man. If you have food stuff, go give them. Maybe we run that woman for the next 1 week. After 1 week, if anybody approach me, I will not go to the street and start looking for people that are suffering. No. Somebody must approach me. I will take my time to investigate, know their effort. You know, you have to say, maybe people can't help you. Which effort? If you say that man don't try for man to carry your boss, what they want to go carry loan to pay the woman hospital bill, you will not say, yes, the man really loved the woman. I want to touch me. So, my sincerity, my kind heart, I will continue to remain sincere and loyal to Edo people all over the world. I don't say because Dion they say to insult me, I can keep quiet. No more fraudulent foundation. Then they suffer now. Forget the fake life. I fresh. You know I'm fresh before? Who never travel? You know I'm fresh before? If you go abroad, you're fresh now. You're always fresh. So fresh to fresh the achievement. If not freshness, Dangote for go stay America. What not be here Dangote day? Nobody will make her. But let's not make it by scamming people. Please. If you want to do scam, go join Yahoo Boys. They scam. Go join Yahoo Boys. Not the scam people with using sick people. Fraudulent foundation will no longer work again. So, Dion, cry blood. Why so? Why is there so? Who is so day? Who is so day? Oh, because are you bow okay? I'm not into foundation, but I have a very big platform, just like ITV. If you are sick, you need people to reach out to you. You need assistance from members of the public. I will offer my platform. I will do it. Now let me say I will never create an officer and a foundation I'm going to do. I'm not a lazy man. I'm a hard-working man. The only thing that is distracting me is politics. Politics that distracts me. Politics and the love I have for Edo people. That make me they play politics. It's not for my personal interest. It's not for my personal interest. I won't be playing politics. I want Edo to move forward. I want the best to always lead. That is why I'm here. So no more fraudulent foundation in Edo State. Dion insult me, lie. Imagine I challenge him to publish my account. He say give me 500K for my wedding. I challenge and say, okay, publish my account where you transfer the money put. I will give your money back. Now he was lying again. He said not be account. Say me or caller. He say he carry cross bag. He give me the money cash 500,000. If Dion give you 20K and you will quarrel, the whole world will not say Dion give 20K. And he go publish the evidence to show say really give money. So my those in diaspora, now very few of now not get sense when Dion they hold as Mugu. Very few. And in every 12 there must be Judas. 95% of those in diaspora don't listen to him, they don't take him serious. They know he's a petty online extortionist. So una way get una head intact. I beg, if we bring anybody when need help, nothing is too big, nothing is too small. 1,000 is something, 5K is something, 20,000 naira is something. As your hand reach, throw something there. Make it just be like offering. Make it just be like offering. I go dey connect the rich with the poor, the middle class with the poor. Anybody when they try, I go dey connect them with people who don't try. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you very much for sharing. Eric Do Properties, where it was your phone. That's where we make our money legitimately. We do building plans. General contractors, we dey supply, we dey build house. Anything you want to do. As far as real estate, let us know. We dey do general supply. Maybe anywhere your property dey, let us know. We'll supply what you need there. My people, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for listening. Thank you for sharing. Good night and enjoy the rest of your evening. Bye.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.